does the PMP knowledge contradicts with scaled agile framework? It depends upon how you read and what you read. Yeah, that's the whole thing. So there are areas which are contradiction. There are areas which are common. Yeah, so that's what we can say. So let's start with the easy space, common. Any project management, people management, delivery framework will focus on communication, stakeholder interaction, managing risk, ensuring good development of your team, ensuring quality practices, doing quality as early as possible. So these things are universal. They are stressed upon in a project management space, they are stressed upon in the generic agile space, and they are also stressed upon in a scaled agile space. So that's something which is there. Now, what are the areas where there is little bit of, I would say, rather than contradiction, a difference of opinion, the different way of working? And I won't say that it is right and wrong. It all depends upon context. So as I said, the safe way of working is always a product way of working. You commit towards the solution. There are teams who are committed to the product line, value stream line, and they stay there. Yeah, and the work will keep coming and going, but the team remains together and they finish the work. That's the approach they are focusing, where they are saying, let's not organize the work in a project mode. Yeah, let's get away from a project mode and create a team, and you keep giving work. Maybe today you give a work 1, tomorrow you give a work 2, you may decide to stop work 2 in between and give a work 3, but team remains the same. And you are not hiring team for the project, you don't manage budgeting at a project level, you just manage things at a team level. Yeah. So that's the overall philosophy where the continuous work keeps happening. Whereas a project way of working, yeah, PMP is just a manifestation or detailing of the project way of working. So project way of working usually starts with identification of a project business case, having a project charter, having a project goals, benefit realization aspects, and then you work on that project. You have some set of stakeholders who are primarily working with this particular project. You may do some contracting to outside vendors for this project initiative, and then you finish this initiative and you move forward. Yeah, so that's a project way of organizing work. So this way of organizing work is not kind of envisioned in the safe way of working. In a safe way of working is a continuous flow way of organizing work is envisioned, and that's the difference of working of a two style. So as I said previously, so someone might be working a website. It could be a project way of working, it could be a product way of working. If you develop a website and you don't need much of update for next 2-3 years, you may want to give a project to a vendor and get it developed, and then it's over, and you want to manage that initiative around that particular projects only. But if the website is going to be your business model, and you need to think of how do I work around this, and it is the main product you are selling, or people, whatever business you are running, it's around that particular website, then better you run a product mode things, because then it's a never ending thing. Every day you are looking for what should we do differently, and then that way of working is a safe way of working. That's way of working is an agile way of working by default. Yeah, so that's a kind of difference of looking at the work can be seen. And I think rather than looking at a PMP versus safe, it should be look into project way of working or product way or a solution way of working. These are the two I think different approaches of organizing your work.